So there are a couple of information I would also want you to know about these jobs, okay, so that you have them at the back of your mind. All right, the period of employment contract is 1 year. So the thing is, they give you 1 year, which can be extended so far that now they now trust you and you've given your best. They've now seen what you can do. All right, if you're lucky, in some cases you might find some companies that will give you 3 years, but it's very rare, providing that the fact that they don't know you yet. So it's better to take this 1 year contract, and when you come into Poland, and after 1 year, if you impress them, they will give you a much better contract for like 3 years. Why is this very important? Getting a 3 years contract means that you'll be able to get a 3 years residence permit in Poland. You'll be able to apply for 3 years. So if you have 1 year contract, you can't apply for 3 years residence permit. This is why it's important. Okay. Now, visa costs. It is you that is going to pay for your visa cost. The age limit is between 18 to 50 years. So that means that if you're below 18 years, you cannot be employed. So, and also if you are above 50 years, you cannot be employed. Now, the education level can be basic level, and also your level of English can be basic. So it doesn't matter whether you finish high school or even if you didn't go to high school at all. I believe that we can also get a job for you in Poland, okay? And also, if you have a university degree, that would even be a plus. So when sending us documents, you can just send it to us. Then location of work, it depends, okay? There are jobs in different locations, so it depends. It depends on the agency you're coming with. Now, the working hours is between 7 to 15, so you can choose, okay? Normal job is around 40 hours per week, okay? And that will be, basic salary. But some of these jobs, they have kind of overtime, and it depends if you want to work more to earn more, okay? It depends on your contract and your agreement with the company. Okay, then also there's overtime as per Polish labor laws. In this kind of jobs, be prepared for overtimes. It depends, maybe if you don't want overtime, you can tell the company that you don't want overtime. Then there's the tax payment provided by the employer. Okay, note that when you're working in Poland, you go to pay tax, and at the end of I think at the beginning of each year, you have to go and send what we call PIT 11 from your company. You take it to the tax office, and you will now get a document called PIT 37. This document will entitle you to get a tax refund. But recently, you don't even need to go to the tax office anymore. Just with time, the system is going to generate your PIT 37. If there's excess tax, they're going to return the excess to you. Okay. Then about accommodation, some of the companies provide accommodation, okay? So you don't need to worry. Some of the companies provide accommodation, but then you have to be prepared as well. If the company doesn't provide accommodation, okay, you have to be prepared to find your own accommodation, all right? Then water, electricity, and gas, etc., can be provided by the employer. That is, if they give you accommodation, they are going to also pay for these things, okay? Or it could be that these things are being taken from your salary. It depends on your agreement. Now, food, it is you who is going to cater for your food. Then medical and insurance. So medical insurance will be provided by the employer. Transportation will be provided by the employer. If they give you accommodation, a lot of times the accommodation might be close to where you work or might be in the city center. So maybe they will have a company bus or something. Then annual vacation, that is paid annual vacation for 30 days every 2 years of service. It depends on the company. Some companies, after you've worked for them for 2 years, you can have the opportunity to go on 30 days vacation, paid. That means that for 30 days, you won't come to work. You are free to travel around the world and you'll still be paid. You'll still be paid. Let's estimate that 30 days is 1 month. You'll still be paid your 1 month salary. Okay. Then probation period, 7 days from joining date. Now, some companies, you have to undergo probation period for them to know if you're a good fit for their company. I think this is normally applied if you were already in Poland and you got the job in Poland, because the company doesn't have anything to lose. They'll just try you for like 1 week or 2 weeks. If they see that you're not a good fit, they'll just let go of you. But if they see that you're a good fit, then they will now give you a much improved contracts. Okay, then we have other benefits as per Polish labor law. All right, so let me know if you're interested in this opportunity. Put in the comment section below. All right, and I will reply you. I will answer all your questions. Okay, all right, so there are also other opportunities I have on my channel about studies in Turkey. Mind you, I've studied and lived in Turkey for like 5 years, so I have experience. So if I'm telling you these things, listen to me. All right, I know what I'm saying. So look at those opportunities and feel free to contact me. My social media handles are in the description below. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell below, because I'm going to be dropping more and more opportunities, okay, so that you don't miss out on any of them. All right, then if you enjoy this content, please like it and feel free to share it with somebody, because somebody is out there waiting to be informed. You know, the thing is, information is very powerful, and just one information can change somebody's life, can make somebody smile again. Okay, all right, so till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.